Hello, my name is Dr. Enrique Gallo. I'm an orthodontist in South Florida. I own a mid-sized practice with 2 locations in South Florida and currently have 15 employees, and we have been in practice for 20 years. One day I was on vacation and my employees called me to let me know that my computers were locked and we have been attacked by ransomware. Immediately I went into a lot of stress, as you can imagine. I thought my life was over, my businesses were over. All the data that we had accumulated over the past 20 years was gone, was locked. I thought it was the end of my businesses. Very stressful. I couldn't sleep for 5 days. I couldn't eat for 5 days. That was one of the most stressful situations I've been through in my life. I immediately called my attorney. My attorney put me in contact with the FBI. We spoke to the FBI. They came over and they recommended to hire a company or a person to negotiate with the hackers. I found Barricade Cyber Solutions, Eric Taylor. I was able to call him and get in touch with him. He was very helpful, and thanks to him, I recovered my data. If you are a small or mid-sized business owner and you have been hacked or you feel your data is not secured, please call Eric Taylor at Barricade Cyber Solutions. He will help you get your data back and will help you set up your system so you don't go through the same ordeal that I did.